Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy Mern on Hostinger. Hostinger supports Node.js, but only on business or cloud plans. Ensure you have one. Next, separate your Mern app into client and server folders. Then use Git or File Manager to upload your full project into Hostinger's File Manager. Now, install Node.js via the Hostinger panel and set your app's entry file. Edit the environment file with MongoDB URI and any API keys required. Deploy the backend using Hostinger Node.js app tool. Start the app there. Then, build your React app locally using pmrun build inside the client folder. Upload the /build folder contents to the public _HTML directory on Hostinger. Now, connect the front end to the backend by setting the correct API URLs and testing it online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.